Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Let's take a look at Book Creator and zoom in. And the concept, the concept about this thinking routine is basically looking at an image, looking at what do I see, and then zooming bit by bit and revealing and seeing more, information from that original picture. It's like digging deeper, into a certain area. So I've just got a screenshot here from my book, If I Were a Wizard. And what I'm going to do is I've basically got 3 panels in Book Creator, and I'm going to make an observation of what I see. I've done some little text there, and then I'm actually going to dig a little bit deeper. So for this first image here, if I actually click, you can see that's the same image as all 3, and I've just brought it in and it's kind of been re-imaged. And what I could then do there is just make a little sound recording of what I actually see. So in this one, what do I see? Well, I see a little possum, I see an owl, I see a log. It looks like an Australian bush kind of scene. So I've got a little text there that says that's what I see. In the next panel, I've got the same image, but what we can do is we can get the kids to click on that and zoom a little bit more. So I'll just zoom in a little bit, and what they might now say is, okay, I can see a grass tree in the background. I can see a little bit more detail of the owl. Oh, I can see kind of a log, and it looks like that there's some stairs or something going up in it. And so what it's doing is revealing that little bit more about the actual image. And then on the third one, I can zoom right in, and I've used the same image here, but I can actually zoom a lot in and say, oh, here I can see what looks like stairs leading up to a door. I wonder, and then they can actually do some prediction and actually dig a little bit deeper. Okay, that might be Hazel's house, or it could be her school. That's where she might live. I wonder why the stairs are so small and the door's so small. That might be an animal that's not so big, like a wombat. So it's just a great way of using the same image and digging deeper in an image. Now, this might not be a picture from a story. This could be a piece of artwork that you're actually kind of zoning in a little bit about the elements within that artwork and so on. So look, that's called Zoom In, another one of those great thinking routines that we can use Book Creator with and in conjunction and integrate with, and it can bring about some really powerful thinking. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.